making your own liver pate at home is so easy, so simple to do, and it's great to make it yourself because you can customize it to the flavors that you like, and a lot of people don't realize how simple, quick, and easy it is to make. So basically, you start with going to your local butcher or meat counter and getting chicken livers or goose livers or ostrich liver. I have chicken livers here that I'm going to fry up. And this is one of the meals on the 28-day Ketogenic Girl Challenge. And I'm going to show you how I make it and prepare it here. And you're going to see how super simple and easy it is to make, and also batch prep and make in bigger quantities so you can have it anytime you want it as a snack or as a meal throughout the week. So I'll show you here how we get started by frying up the livers in the pan. Here's how that decadent, delicious pate will look like at the end of this recipe video. Alright, so I've got my pan ready and I've got the livers here, and then fry them up nicely in this pan. I've got them frying here in a little bit of ghee just to grease the pan, and going to flip them over and cook them in the skillet over medium heat, and then we're going to add some water. You can see they're nice and fried, and I added a little bit of garlic, some spices, and now I'm going to add in some water. This is when you can add in some thyme or rosemary or sage or other sort of herbs and things that you like, fresh herbs. And we're going to bring this up to boil or simmer. Alright, so I brought that to a nice simmer, and I added in some of my favorite spices. One of my favorites is actually adding caraway seeds. So added those in and just bringing that to a little boil, and then I'm going to transfer everything to a food processor and add in some grass-fed butter. You can also add in ghee or coconut oil or butter-flavored coconut oil as well. I've got the livers here in my portable food processor. I'm actually going to take some of the fat from my amazing rich beef bone broth that's been simmering here with all of these delicious beef ribs, and add some of that in for flavor too. There's some really rich nutrient dense fats there. I'm going to add that in and then process it all together. Alright, I'm going to process all that together. Take the lid off, and you can see it's pate. We made pate. So easy, so simple to make, and then we just cool it down and refrigerate. You can see all that gorgeous creamy pate in there, and I'm going to transfer it into some ramekins and some cute little vacuum sealed jars to make it all the more cuter. There we go. So now is the fun part. I put the pate, you can put it in these little ramekins, you can put it in these little mason jars with seals, and I've added some caraway seeds on top. I've added some smoked sea salt flakes, and I got some lavender from our garden, and I'm just putting those on here, and you can feel like the fucking carnivore Martha Stewart. I feel like you can too. You can do this at home and you can feel like the Martha Stewart of keto just by making your own pate. I mean, it's great to be able to buy it and everything, but if you can just make it yourself at home, you can spice it the way you like it, you can make it, you can be creative with it, and voila. So voila, my friends, that is how you make super easy peasy, delicious, nutrient-dense pate at home. And this is a recipe from the 28-day Ketogenic Girl Challenge. It's the accelerated fat loss plan. I also have the phase 2 meal plans, but this is one of my favorite meals in there, and it's such a super easy recipe. You can make your own pate. You don't have to buy it from the store, but you can do that too. But this way it's all natural and it is super delicious. I'll show you guys how the beef ribs are coming along, and they are looking super.
For my recipe on easy slow cooker beef short ribs, check out the IGTV recipe video.
My husband is going to be home soon and ready to have those beef ribs that I made for him with those low carb tortillas and some beans. And this pate is just so yummy, but I'm going to save some space for dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little tutorial, and have fun making your own pate. It is amazingly nutrient dense. And check out the 28-day Ketogenic Girl Challenge. If you want more amazing recipes like this, you can swipe up here. Like how my finger's coming in there. You can swipe up here and join the Ketogenic Girl Challenge. It comes with amazing recipes like this, and it also comes with my coaching as your guide and support so you can get to your goals. So swipe up. I love you guys. Guys, these short ribs that I've been cooking smell so amazing. I wish I could like waft the scent, the aroma through my IG to you guys. It smells so, so good. Alrighty.
Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to check out the Ketogenic Girl Challenge and this recipe here for beef short ribs, which is also in my IGTV.